Good afternoon and welcome to the daily recap video here. It's going to kind of cover how the trades went for the day here. As you can see over here on the Topstep account, we made $215. We just took the 15-minute breakout trade here, so all we were looking for was for the entry was just going to be right there for the breakout of that 15-minute range. So you can see we entered there at 15,447 and we covered at 458 for $220. I was only looking for $200 on this account today, so one trade got it done. So there you have it. Took the winner there. And then over here on the Bulenox accounts, we'll pull these up here so you guys can see. These are my two funded ones. I'm still waiting on this one to be funded. Should have it tomorrow, I think, from what they said. So up $800 on this one. Took that same breakout trade, but took it for 20 handles instead of 10 for $800. That's one of the mechanical strategies that I'm using. It's just the 15-minute breakout, guys. Very, very simple. You mark out your 15-minute high, opening range, 15-minute high and low, and then once it breaks one or the other, you take it. 15 handle stop, 30 handle take profit. I do move my stop to plus 10 handles once we reach 20. And move this one up a little quick today. We were only 1 point away from 30 handles, and I went ahead and moved this to lock in 20, and it came back and stopped me out, and then went straight to the 38 handle target. So feel a little bad about it. This 420, just one trade on that account too. I just took that opening trade right here at open. Once we got above that 130s, kind of called this out. Was just looking at the 130 level there. I'm sorry, 430 level. Was thinking if we can break above that 430. So if you're looking right here, right there. So we opened up, we pulled back, we pushed above it, we pulled back again. And then on this push back up, I liked it above 430. So I took the entry above 430 and took a little 10 handle move there. A little more than 10 handles with two contracts. And this one over here that we're looking at right now, this is the 5-minute mechanical strategy one. And as you can see, we're looking for the first fair value gap to form after 10 a.m. on the 5-minute chart. Here's the gap as I outlined here. So as soon as it trades back into the gap, we put our short on right there at 59.50. Stop right there above the highs, one tick above, and we would have been targeting the low of day, pretty much 65 down here. So as you can see, had we got tagged in here, this would have went pretty close to our target, but it didn't. And that's one thing I am noticing with this mechanical strategy. If you're not tagged in right away on this first push down, then it's almost always a loser. So that may be something that we kind of adjust with this. I said earlier, if it hit my target before it tagged me in, we would just cancel the order. But didn't quite hit it. Target was going to be 65. It traded down to the 74 area. So didn't quite hit it. So we left it on. But that's all a part of the strategy. So this account now is going to be down. So we were up 400 yesterday, down 500 today, pretty much a wash. So I think we're going to be down about $1,400 on this account now total. Let's kind of look and see if we can see. Yeah, current equity is 48,594. So that's about, yeah, so down about $1,400. So we've got a little over $1,000 in drawdown left on this one. We are now using micros on this one instead of the mini, so it gives us more of an opportunity to last longer. So obviously we can only withstand 2 more losers at an average of $500 a loser before we lose this account. But realistically, we just need one winner, and that's where yesterday hurt so bad. We left $1,200 on the table there. We pretty much would have been up about $300 or $400. So at this point, we would only be down a couple $100. But instead, we're down, you know, what we're down. And it is what it is. Can't go back and change it. Made a mistake on it. Just got to move forward. So that's going to be the recap for today. If you guys didn't see right here, we are now partnered with Topstep. So if you are looking to trade futures, I do recommend Topstep. I like them, especially for these kind of mechanical trades because of the end of day drawdown. You don't have to worry about this. You know, if this goes into profit $200-300 and then comes back and stops you out, you know, this being a $700 or $800 off your drawdown, which it may be. You know, that's how it is with other firms there. So I do recommend Topstep for this type of trading. I am using this on Apex, but link in the description. If you guys are interested in futures, we do have a code for Apex, Bulenox, and Topstep all in the description there. So all those help the channel. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.